Hello everyone, here is another review type video where I'm going to show you my actual leather craft before it will be dispatched to my customers. If you would like to order my craft, check the links in the video description. Also follow me on Instagram, I'm posting here daily. It might help you to decide colors you would like. Also please press the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and let's go! For today I have to show you two types of card holders and a few color variations. So let's start with this one. This card holder is one of the most popular in my crafts. Really nice, extremely minimalistic card holder for your cards and some cash. I offer them in three types of leather: vegetable tanned Buttero leather, vegetable tanned Pueblo leather, and also I make them in Horvin shell cordon. Here is three of these veg tan made card holders: whiskey Buttero with tan thread, burgundy with purple thread, and Pueblo black with the red thread. Card holder easily fits 4 or 5 cards, but even one card holds perfectly. You can also add more cards as leather has ability to stretch, and here is a slot for some cash. Also want to show you some pictures of shell cordon version of this card holder. I made it more than a year ago for my friend. Shell developed a nice patina. I'm really glad to see how it looks after more than a year's daily carry. Also, if you would like to make your own card holder, it's really easy. You can watch the video how it's made here and find PDF template at my Etsy shop. I will put the link in the video description. So let's jump to another type of card holder / wallets I want to show for you. Here I have also 3 color variations in veg tan Buttero leather, in chestnut color with a blue stitching. Also the same color with the beige stitching and the linen liner. And the last one is in mixed colors. Outside is burgundy Buttero leather and inside is olive Pueblo leather with the purple stitching. Wallet has 3 pockets. 2 of them is for cards and one is for whatever paper stuff you carry. It also can be loaded with cards. And this is a slot for paper money. Small compact wallet. Size when folded is 8 to 10.5 centimeters. If you would like to make your own this wallet, you can also find a video of how it's made here, and go to my Etsy shop and buy PDF template for this wallet. Links as always in video description. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Press the like button and see you next time. Bye.